So many of you around the world are in Covid-19 lockdown, not able to leave the house, or at least having very limited freedom. And I've had a lovely idea for a video on the channel. I'd like to feature some of you guys, my droning on ambassadors. So what I need you to do is record, that's a loud bird, wasn't it? Record just a short video with the phone like I am now. It's got to last no longer than 15 seconds, maybe 20 seconds. And just introduce your name, which country you live in, your favourite drone, and how you're feeling about not being able to fly it with the current lockdown, and just your thoughts about the whole pandemic as a whole. So 15 to 20 seconds. Once you've done that, upload it to YouTube. You can set it to unlisted, so don't bother about adding a title, keywords, anything like that. Just upload it, set it to unlisted, and message me the link to it. And I'm going to then put together a video of all of your short clips around the world. So get on it now. Deadline is this Friday. So get the clip filmed as soon as you can, and I look forward to seeing it. By the way, comment below when you've done it. Cheers.